Hey, I'm Visnova and I've been creating on IMVU since 2007. In this course, you'll learn how to customize your very own billboard. We will learn how to add our own poses for each of the standing spots, which I call nodes, in any order we choose. We will learn how to add our own images for the main billboard and each standing spot to fully customize our own look. For the images, I'll be showing techniques in the free graphics program called GIMP. Now also, as a bonus, when you purchase this course, you will have access to 2 layout styles of the billboard. Now as a huge bonus, I have also included 20 poses for your billboard to get you started. Now 10 of these are female and 10 of these are male. Enjoy this course and I can't wait to see what you come up with for your very own billboard.